be showing you how to do the headstand, which looks like this. Now, the headstand is a basic move that requires some strength. So I suggest having at least 10 push-ups before trying the headstand. This will prepare your arms and your wrists for the headstand. I also recommend having the yoga headstand before doing the headstand I'm going to show you, because the yoga headstand, while it's easier, it also takes balance, and this will build your confidence for the headstand. Now, before you begin doing the headstand, I suggest doing some warm-ups, especially for the neck. Your neck muscles will be supporting your head, so it's good to warm up before practicing. This is one. So here you take your hand, one hand, press it against your chin gently, and let your head move back like this. So you press your neck back gently. You can hold this for 10 seconds. Another stretch you can do is turning your neck, and then your chin goes down. And this will really stretch the neck muscles here. And finally, you can do some neck circles. Gently. Just be slow, nice and slow. Get that neck warmed up, because it's really going to be supporting your weight while you're doing the headstand. You also want to warm up your wrists, because they will be taking some of the weight when you do headstands. So you can do these. Just open, close, to the sides, front, backwards. Now that you're all warmed up, you can start practicing the headstand against the wall. So one really important point about headstands is that your weight is being supported by your head and your hands in a triangle position. So your head will be like the top point of the triangle, and your hands will be about shoulder width or slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Okay, to get into a headstand, place your head and your hands on the ground, remembering the tripod position, okay? Hands should be next to each other. And start by kicking up gently. Just hop a bit, come down, hop, and then after a few hops, try jumping up, straightening your legs. Yeah, if you lose your balance, just come down, okay? So just keep practicing this. And when you feel comfortable, start lifting your feet off the wall. And see if you can hold the headstand without using the wall. So for the headstand, you want to gain more control and strength. You can do this by hopping into a tucked position. Okay, just hop gently and try to go into the tuck position, and then extend your legs straight up. Eventually, you can go directly into a tuck position without hopping. And when you are more advanced, you can go from a pike position directly to a headstand. That takes some core strength and also some hamstring flexibility. So alright guys, that's all for this tutorial. Now you know how to do the headstand. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Bye!